Alright, so we've got the tent out, we just need to put this front bow pole in. It generally just slides out from in between the mattress, goes into a couple of little stoppers there. I should have taken them off. Just on there like that. And that gives you your front apron. Always make sure you tie these down. That's going to allow all the water to run off the front of that tent. If you don't tie them down, that bow pole will go back with the weight of the water and you'll end up doing some damage. So make sure you always tie that down nice and straight so that it keeps the tent nice and taut. Okay, so when you open up your rooftop tent, you want to put all your windows out. You have these spring steel rods that prop out those awnings. Now, given that we've got an awning on this one, you should have 2 straight ones like this and 4 dogleg ones. I'm going to show you the straight ones first. 2 little clips that just let that window out, like so. Little end pops through there, and then there's a little hole in there, just goes in like that. That's your window awning done. Alright guys, so in your pack, as I said, you've got 4 of these. These are designed to go at the back of your camper and the passenger side of your camper where your awning comes around at height. They're designed to get over the top of your awning and still keep your window out. Show you how they go in. And there we go, easy as that. As you can see, the section that's dog-legged out, when your awning runs across here, it'll miss that awning and allow that window to stay up for you. So here we go, rooftop tent's up and all sorted out. Now we're going to show you how to get that lower annex on. Threads through your sail track in the bottom here. Inch past. Once you've got that sail track in, you've got a zipper that does the other 3 sides. Now if you're going to put your floor in of the lower annex, it just zips in the same way all the way around the bottom. Being they're on this gravelly surface today, we're not going to put it in. So what we'd normally do, we've got all these tie down points around the bottom. They just peg down like such, all the way around to secure the base of the tent so that it repels the weather. Okay, as you can see, I'm just finishing off putting these pegs in using my handy bush hammer. So we've pegged in all the base of the tent. I've rolled up these windows. If you follow me around here, we can see that we've got our main door to the lower annex just here. We have internal closing windows to all the windows just here. So if it does start raining, you don't have to go outside to put them up. We've also got this flap at the very back, large opening section, which zips all the way around. That can be rolled up so you can access all your storage on the side of the camper. So in the tent here, when you first aim it up, you'll notice there's all these straps that go across the tent here. They're not a clothesline. They're designed for when you close your tent up, it pulls that canvas in so you have less tucking in to close it up. So when you come in, just unrelease all the latches off there and drop them over so you have a comfortable sleep. As you can see, I've put the window down on both sides, and I can also do this back door as well. It comes up, rolls up of course, like so, toggle either side, and then you've got your window out there as well. If you want to keep that screen down, you can just leave that screen down. You roll your canvas up first and then zip your screen back in. Heaps of room up here. The idea of the 1.8 metre tent is a 3-person tent. It is 1.8 metres wide, which is the same as a king size bed, but the bedding is 2.4 metres long. So if you are 1.8 metres or shorter, you could sleep a number of people across it as well. So now I'm going to demonstrate on how this wraparound awning goes up. It's fairly quick and simple. Check it out. Unzip the cover. We'll have a bunch of poles that'll just drop out. You want to just take those out. Of course it's in a knot. Get them ready for when you this basically just concertinas all the way around. Drop one as we go. Oh yeah. Oh. So once you've got all your poles up, you just come back, pull your canvas over the top of those spigots, over the eyelets, and pull that down. Once you've done that, adjust everything to height where you want it to be. Obviously you want some runoff. Just one last spreader pole. Just goes in the centre here to take some of this longer section. Just like that, quick and easy. Alright guys, so we finished up that setup. Just make sure before you finish everything that you tie down the awning down. You don't want to gust the wind taking that away.